Today, I'll be going through 5 basic calculations that we can achieve from this single data. So the first one is basic counting. Let's say we want to know the total number of students inside this data. What we're going to do is, we are going to press equal COUNTA, then I'll select my column for name and just press enter. So that gives me the number of students in this information. Let's say we want to know how many missing score we have. Equal count length, then I'm going to select my score range and press enter. I have 3 missing scores. So going to the next one, total and averages. To calculate the total score inside this information, we are going to put equal SUM. I'll select my scores, press enter. This is the total score we have here. To get the average, we're going to press average, then I'm going to select the score range, then press enter. Here is our average. So moving to the next one, we want to know the highest score and the lowest score. To do that, for the highest score, press equal max, then I'll select my score. I already know my score input, so I'll just do E3 to E19, then close my bracket, enter. So the highest score here is 5. To get the lowest score, I'll just put equal min, then I'll put my range E3 to E19, press enter. Our lowest score is 1.8. Moving to the next specific analysis. Let's say we want to analyze blue house in this data. To get the number of blue house, I will type equal COUNTIF, I'll select my house range, that's D3 to D19, comma, open my parenthesis blue, close bracket, enter. So we have 5 blue houses in the data. And to sum the blue house scores together, we're going to do is equal SUMIF. I'll select my score, my house range, that's D3 to D19, comma. Which house are we looking at? My parenthesis, we are looking at blue house, comma. And what do we want to achieve? The score value, E3 to E19, close my bracket, press enter. So the total score of blue house is 16.6. Moving to the next. To get our logic to differentiate between pass and fail using if statement, we want to know those that pass based on their score and those that failed. So what we're going to do is, using if statement, if open my bracket, I'll select my score range E3 to E19, let's say, is greater than our average score, which is 2.5, since our highest score is 5. Comma, let's say pass, close my parenthesis, comma, space, or fail. So it's either one of the two, it's either it pass or fail. If I press enter, so my logic is if the score in this range is greater than 2.5, say pass, but if it is not, say fail. So here I have 2.4, it's a fail score. I have pass here, there's missing score, so this person fail. So that's how to go about different analysis inside your data.